Hello student of class 11, this is the continuation video of the quadratic equation. This is 8th video. If alpha beta be the roots of the equation x square minus 3x plus a, alpha beta roots of this equation, and x square, second equation is x square minus 12x plus b equal to 0. The roots of this equation is delta gamma. If alpha beta gamma delta are in GP having positive common ratio, then find the values of a and b. Alpha, it is given that alpha beta gamma delta are in GP and having the common ratio r. So let alpha equal to a, beta equal to a r, gamma equal to a r square and delta equal to a r cube. And from first equation I will get alpha plus beta equal to 3, alpha beta equal to a, and from second equation I will get gamma plus delta equal to 12, gamma delta equal to b. That means alpha plus beta equal to 3. We have this one. This equal to alpha equal to a, this equal to a r, this is equal to 3. So, a is common from here, a is taken common from here, so I will get a equal 1 plus r, this is equal to 3. So, a equal to 3 by 1 plus r, and from beta and gamma plus delta, this is equal to 12. From here I will write beta equal to a r square plus gamma equal to a r cube. This is equal to 12. And if I take a r square common from here, I will get 12. That means a equal to 12 by r square 1 plus r. Okay, this is equal to a, this is equal to a. So, I will write 3 by 1 plus r, this is equal to 12 by r square into 1 plus r. 1 plus r cancel out, 3, 4, that means r square equal to 4, r equal to 2. This is the common ratio and here r is 2. And positive common ratio, it is given, positive common ratio, but we have r equal to plus minus 2, but we take r equal to 2, it is given. So, alpha equal to r equal to this, that means a equal to 3 by 1 plus 2, this is equal to 3 by 5. 2 plus 1, this is equal to 3, this is equal to 1. And gamma delta, and gamma delta equal to b, and gamma delta, this is equal to b. Gamma equal to, we have gamma equal to a r square, delta equal to a r cube, this is equal to b. A equal to 1, r equal to 2, that means 4, a equal to 1, r equal to 2, that means 8, this is equal to b. So, I will get b equal to 32. A equal to 1 and b equal to 32. A equal to a. This is alpha. This is alpha. Alpha equal to 1, not a equal to 1. We have alpha beta equal to alpha beta equal to A, alpha equal to A and beta equal to AR. This is equal to A. A equal to alpha beta, beta equal to alpha R, beta equal to the alpha equal to 1 and beta equal to AR. This is equal to A. That means R equal to A equal to alpha beta, alpha equal to alpha, beta equal to alpha R. This is equal to alpha and this is equal to alpha R, this is equal to A. Alpha equal to 1 and R equal to 2, so A equal to 2. A equal to 2 and B equal to 32. If the roots of the equation be equal, so that something, the given equation is P q minus R x square plus R q R minus P x plus R into P minus Q equal to 0. If the roots of this equation be equal, so that 1 by P plus 1 by R equal to 2 by Q. We know if two roots are equal, that means discriminant of the equation b square minus 4ac equal to 0. From this equation I will get, what is it? This is A, this is B and this is C. B square discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac, this equal to 0. That means Q R minus P whole square minus 4 P Q minus R into P minus Q, this is equal to 0. That is equal to Q square R square plus P square minus 2RP minus 4PR PQ minus PR minus Q square plus QR equal to 0. Okay. This is equal to Q square R square plus Q square P square minus 2 Q square PR minus 4 P square QR minus 4 P square R square. By simple multiplication we will get 4 P Q square R minus 4, this is plus, this is minus 4 P Q R square, this is equal to 0. From here I will write QR plus PQ minus 2 PR that is 4p square r square, this square equal to 0. p square q square r square, p square q square plus 4p square q square. This is a plus b plus c whole square. 2p r q square plus 2p plus 2p q square r square. Minus 4, this one, and minus 4 pqr square, this one, minus 4 p square qr, are this equal to plus 2q square pr plus 2q square pr, right? I will get it. From here I will write this equal to 0, qr plus pq equal to 2pr, divide both sides by pqr plus pq by pqr, 2pr by pqr, and here I will write 1 by p plus 1 by r, this equal to 2 by q. Hence this is proved. Okay, I am ending here.